does it feel to keep working with them, to be back with Prime Video? Paolo?
For me, I'm very grateful. It's going to be my third project with Prime, once with Copino. It's my third project with Kim and Prime.
So 3 is your lucky number.
Hopefully, 13.
Nice.
13.
Di ba na 33? Okay. Kim!
For me, working with Prime Video again, and this is my fourth project. So amazing! Thank you so much! Prime Video for me, working with them feels like home, but a home that keeps on evolving. Yeah, I'm very proud to always do projects with Prime Video.
Now, before I let you both go, because we heard the number of projects you've had with Prime Video, what makes this different?
This one, Copino, of course, yung nasabi natin, it's Korean and Filipino. So, syempre, may Korea magic. We will go to Korea to shoot some of the scenes with Korean actors. So, this is something very new and very exciting.
Sa akin naman, we always find stories to tell that's very Filipino. And one part about this is, as I said, is Copino. It's a story about Korean Filipinos who are looking for their identity. So it's something very exciting, it's something unique to us, and it's something local that we could be proud of, hopefully. So the international audience watches it.
Cheers! Congratulations to both!
Yes, and also may I add, I'm very also proud to work with Prime dahil this is not only shown locally, this reaches to global audience din. Kaya nakaka-proud din that your work is being watched by other countries. Kaya thank you so much, Prime, for this big opportunity.
And to Tingaduran, I'm also proud to work with Prime and you again.
No! Alright, let's go! Thank you so much, Prime, for the trust.
Nagpakilig ka talaga. Thank you! Cheers to you! Thank you so much. We'll see you back in the group photo later. Give it up for Copino. Next!